Oh, wow, wow. What's up, guys? It's Peppa Pig. Yeah. And today, let's learn colors with me. And today, let's make some special character by Play-Doh. Let's go. Right here, today we have... Wow. It's a cat. So cute, huh? Alright. And the first color we have pink. 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 Yes, it's pink. Oh, the body. And next, whoa, pink. Pink cat. Awesome. Very cute. Orange. 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 Clean the table first. Alright. Next. Wow, orange. Orange cat. Good job. And I put orange cat right here. Oh, awesome. Purple. 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 Oh, alright. Purple cat. Purple. Good job. Right here. Purple. Purple cat. Yellow. 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 Good job. It's yellow cat. Blue. Blue. I don't know, but this video is very amazing. I love it. Wow, wow, wow. Blue. Make the body of the cat first, and face later. Alright, blue cat, so cute. Alright, so awesome. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos. See you next time. Bye.